Hi students, we are continuing the IUPAC nomenclature. Last two parts we discussed about the IUPAC nomenclature of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Now we are entering into the most important, some common or important functional groups, how to write their IUPAC name. In this session we are discussing the IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols and phenols. It's a very important functional group. Let's see what are the criteria or what are the rules to name a alcohol. Clear? What we discussed in alkane, alkene, alkyne, the same principle or the same rule we have to follow here. First of all, we should have a prefix. What is the meaning of prefix? The substituents. In the given organic compound, if it contain methyl group, ethyl group, isopropyl, whatever the branches, bromine, chlorine, something, if it is there, we should write first. That's a prefix. Substituent, we should write first. Okay. Second one, while writing the name, we have to follow the parent chain. Which is the parent chain? If it contain 5 carbon pent, 6 carbon hex, like that, we have to write the parent chain. So first substituent represent, then parent chain. After that, if there is any unsaturation like primary suffix, that is a, if it is a alkane, where it is a alkene or alkyne, that we have to mention, and we have to go for the principal functional group, that is our secondary suffix. All right, so all of you keep in mind, first we are going to write, if in a given organic compound, if it contain a substituent, we should write first, then parent chain name, and some alkane, alkene, something if it is there, we have to mention, and the principal functional group. In this session we are discussing only the principal functional group is alcohol. Okay, more than other than alcohol, so many functional groups are there. Major functional groups are there, like carboxylic acid, aldehyde, ketone, all are major functional group compared to alcohol. But when we're discussing in the upcoming videos, we will discuss detail about each and every functional group. Finally, we will discuss all functional group together, what is the situation. So in this video, I'm just concentrating on alcohols and phenols, how to write their IUPAC name. So our principal functional group is alcohol here. All right. Okay. So other than alcohol, what are the least priority groups? Dear all of you, you know the least priority groups compared to alcohol is, you know, halogens are there. Okay, halogens. What are the halogens we have? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. Halogens, if it is there, like that, methyl, CH3, ethyl, C2H5, propyl, isopropyl, the normal branches, and some common groups like, you know, the nitro group. These kind of groups, if it is there, they are having least priority compared to alcohol. Okay, so compared to these groups, greater priority is for what? Alcohol. You know, alcohols are the compound which contain OH group as a functional group. OH is the functional group, that's called alcohol generally, right? So alcohols having greater priority compared to halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, any halogen, and methyl, ethyl, any branches, and also nitro group. Clear all? Shall we go? Let's continue. We are starting with a simplest example, a simple alcohol. We have the question, you know, CH3OH, right? CH3OH. In CH3OH, there is one carbon and one alcohol. Correct? OH is there, so it's definitely an alcohol. Is it contain any branches? No. No branches, right? Okay. So CH3OH, when you consider, what is the prefix? Prefix is nothing because there is no branches, right? No substituent. Let's go for the parent chain. What is a parent chain? Just one carbon. One carbon, we will call it as what? Meth, right? Meth. And it is an alkane, right? Only single bonds are there, therefore it is methane, meth. Then your primary suffix is what? Unsaturation. It is not unsaturation, it is alkane, alkene, alkyne. When you consider, it is an alkane, right? Alkane. So meth, or we can say methane, because it is an alkane, A-N-E. Methane, it is an alcohol, right? It's an alcohol, right? The principal functional group is alcohol. Alcohol is ending with the ol. So we can name this compound as methanol. Methanol. One carbon contained alcohol is called what? Methanol. Methanol is the IUPAC name. What is the common name? Common name we can call it as methyl. What is CH3 group is called? Methyl, and OH is called alcohol. So methanol is the IUPAC name, methyl alcohol is the common name. If it is so, what's the name of the second compound? Here there is no branches, total 2 carbons are there. So as per the IUPAC naming rule, you know, first of all select the longest chain. Which is the longest chain? No confusion, this is the longest chain. After selecting the longest chain, you know very well we have to number the parent chain, in which the functional group here, which is the major functional group, alcohol should get least number. So where is number 1? Number 1 here, number 2 here. What we can say? You can say ethane. Why ethane? Because there are 2 carbon atom and it is an alkane, right? Ethane, all right, ethane. Where is the position of the alcohol? First position, there is an alcohol, so we can say 1-ol. Or you know, I told you 1, there is no importance here if you're writing or without writing the symbol 1, that's both are correct. Okay, so we can say that what? Ethanol. Ethanol is the IUPAC name. Dear student, methanol is the IUPAC. Their common name is methyl alcohol, because there is a methyl and alcohol. So what is the common name of ethanol? Ethyl alcohol. Alright, ethyl alcohol. Clear all? So this is methanol, this is ethanol. What about this? What about this? Total there are 3 carbon in the parent chain. There is an alcohol in the first carbon. Alcohol is the major principal functional group here. It should get least number, okay? So there is a propane. There are 3 carbon in the chain. It is an alkane, therefore propane. First position there is an alcohol, therefore propane, 1-ol, or we can say propanol, right? Propanol. So propanol, what is the common name, dear? This is propyl group, right? Normal propyl. So it's called propyl alcohol. Propyl alcohol. What about this compound? Dear students, select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3. No, when you are selecting the longest chain, I told you in the previous classes, not only the biggest carbon chain, okay? Your functional group including the major functional group including longest chain, you have to select it, okay? Not simply carbons. Your major functional group which is there in the compound, you directly identify. After that, that major functional group including parent chain, we have to select it. Which is the major functional group here? Alcohol. So alcohol connected a chain, you consider here of you 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, both are fine. Let me take, this is the parent chain. So what is this branch is called? Methyl as a branch. Methyl is there, alcohol is there. As I told you, methyl, alkyl groups, methyl, ethyl, whatever with alcohol. Alcohol is the major functional group. So alcohol should get least number. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, tell me what is a prefix? Any substituents are there? Yes, there is a branch methyl group. Name it first. 2-methyl. Second position, there is a methyl group. 2-methyl. Alright. And what is a parent chain? Propane. Alright. Propane. First position, there is an alcohol. Propane 1-ol, or simply you can say 2-methyl propanol. That's also fine. Clear all of you? Okay, so rule is this one. First of all, select the longest chain. Longest chain means the maximum number of carbon, but careful, in that selection of carbon chain, your functional group should be there in the parent chain, or functional group should be a part of the major chain, should be connected to the parent chain. Clear? Okay, after that, number the parent chain in which the alcohol getting lowest number, because here I am discussing the principal functional group is, the master functional group is alcohol. So alcohol should get lowest number. While writing name, what all things we have to careful? First all, substituent we should write first. Which all substituents are there, that we have to write first. Alright. After that, select the longest chain or write the parent chain. and mention whether it is an alkane, alkene or alkyne. Therefore I write propan. Prop means parent chain and indicate alkane, alright, and the position of major functional group 1-ol. That's it. Let's go for so many complicated and so many interesting and important question in the slides. Question number 5. Dear all of you, follow the rules, okay? Every compound, just follow the rule by looking the structure or the expanded form. You don't need to worry about that, okay? Confidently we can approach the question. Select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3. Total there are 3 carbon in the parent chain. Prop is the parent chain, okay? Where is your functional group? Here it is there. After that, second step, number the parent chain in which the parent chain or the main functional group is alcohol. It should get lowest number. So number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, there is no branches, right? No branches here. So we can say propan, propan, because it is an alkane, right? Propan. Second position there is an alcohol. Therefore we can say propan 2-ol. Alcohol means ending with one, ol. Okay, propan 2-ol, or you can write 2-propanol. That's also fine. Propan 2-ol, or we can say what? 2-propanol. 2-propanol. Do you remember, dear all of you, we said in this fourth compound, its IUPAC name is 2-methyl propan 1-ol. What is the common name? In part 1 video for the alkanes, when we are discussing, we discuss about the common branches. Methyl, ethyl, propyl, isopropyl, isobutyl, sec-butyl, tert-butyl, neopentyl, neohexyl, etc. Which branch is this? All of you, those who didn't see that common branches, just to see the part 1 video for the alkane, you can able to understand. This branch, what is this branch? The branch is like this, CH3. We studied like this. We studied like this. What is this branch name, dear all of you? A CH carbon connected to the same group methyl. A CH carbon connected to CH3. CH3 is called isopropyl. On the isopropyl, if you write on the right side one more carbon, then it is called isobutyl. Can you see? This is the isobutyl group. CH3. See, a CH carbon connected to 2 CH3 is called isopropyl. To the right side, one more carbon is called isobutyl. So this is called isobutyl alcohol. Okay, that's a common name. Isobutyl, in which there is an alcohol. Okay, next one. We already said the IUPAC name of this compound. Can you tell me what is the common name? Because these simple topics, simple compounds, they can ask you the common name. Even these kind of complex compound, they won't ask you the common name. So here, what is the common name? Can you identify what is this alkyl group? What is this alkyl group? They're all alkyl group. Here it is. There is a CH carbon. It is connected to 2 CH3, right? It is connected to 2 CH3. Same, right? This is isopropyl. A CH carbon connected to, why it is called iso? See, if you consider like this, this is the CH carbon connected to the functional group, okay? What is left? Methyl, right side methyl. This is same group, right? That's what it is called, iso. So this is called what? Iso. Total 3 carbons are there, is called isopropyl. Or you can study like this. If a CH carbon connected to 2 CH3 is called what? Isopropyl. So this is isopropyl, which contain alcohol. So we can say the common name of 2-propanol or propan 2-ol is isopropyl alcohol. Clear all of you the method? Okay, let me go for the next question. Question number 6. Select the longest chain which including our major functional group alcohol. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is the maximum carbon chain here we have. Okay, alcohol is there, methyl is there. I told you alcohol is the major functional group here compared to methyl, ethyl, propyl, any branches, halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, any halogens, even nitro group, all those functional groups having very less priority compared to alcohol. In this video, I told you our major principal functional group is alcohol. So alcohol should get least number. If you start number from left to right, alcohol I think is on the 4th position, right to left, it is on 3rd position. That is better. Lowest number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. According to the IUPAC naming rule, first you have to number or write while writing the name, branches we should complete first. Which is the branch here? Methyl. Fifth position, there is a methyl group. So 5-methyl. Now our word root, our parent chain. Which is our parent chain? Total 6 carbon. Hex. What is the primary suffix? It is an alkane, alkene or alkyne? It is an alkane. Therefore hexane, hexane. And after that, where is the position of alcohol? Third position alcohol. So we can say 3-ol. 5-methyl, hexane, 3-ol. After that, you recheck it. The position, everything is perfect or not. See, fifth position, methyl. Yes. Hex, total 6 carbon. And all are alkane. And third position, there is an alcohol. Yes, perfect. Question number 7. Select the longest chain, which including your functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely alcohol is here. Alcohol should be on the parent chain. So we can select this is the parent chain. Alright, this. So this is a branch. Which carbon we can suggest it as number 1? Because alcohol is the principal group, it should get lowest number. So number 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second position, you have 2-methyl group. We studied if the 2 branches are same on same carbon, we have to repeat the number twice, right? So we can say 2, 2-methyl group. So we will call dimethyl. Yes or no, dear all? 2, 2-dimethyl. Total how many carbon? 5 carbon in the chain. So we can say pentane because it is an alkane. Pentane. First position, there is an alcohol. 1-ol. I told you 1 there is no important. You can combinedly write pentanol. That's also fine. Okay. 2, 2-dimethyl, pentan, 1-ol. That's the IUPAC name. Clear all? Let me go to the question number 8. Select the longest chain. Which is the longest chain, dear all? Alcohol. Where is alcohol? Alcohol is here. Alcohol including biggest chain. We have to take it. Yes. I think this is the parent chain. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's also fine. Both are same. This is a methyl branch. This is a methyl branch. But alcohol is our major concern. Alcohol should get lowest number. I think left to right, if you are numbering, alcohol is on 4th position. Right to left is better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tell me the name. Second position and third position, 2 methyl groups are there. Therefore, 2, 3. Between number, comma, after number, hyphen. 2, 3. How many methyl? 2 methyl. Therefore, dimethyl. 2, 3 dimethyl. Total 6 carbon. Therefore, hexane because it is an alkane. Third position, there is an alcohol, 3-ol. Dear all of you, clear? 2, 3 dimethyl, hexane, 3-ol. Easy, right? Let's go for question number 9. Question number 9. Where is your alcohol? Alcohol is here, dear all. Alcohol is here, hiding one. Okay, for it. Alcohol should get lowest number and also alcohol including one of the parent chain. We have to select it. Let us select, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely we no need to go this side. This is not your straight line because if you're selecting this one, alcohol is not directly connected to the parent chain. See, it is a sub chain, right? Alcohol should be on the parent chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here there is a maximum carbon atom. So we can select this is the parent chain. Clear all? This is the parent chain. So what all branches you have? The branches are, there is a methyl group, bromo group, bromine, and this is called ethyl group and alcohol. Anyway, alcohol is, I told you, alcohol and any branches and halogen when you consider, alcohol having greatest priority. So alcohol attached carbon should get number 1 or least number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tell me the name. What is this branch? This branch is known as methyl. This branch is known as bromo. Halogens are ending with halo, halo, fluorine, fluoro, chlorine, chloro, bromine, bromo, iodine, iodo. And what is CH3? CH2 is called ethyl group. Dear student, we studied in the previous lectures. If you have different branches, this is methyl, bromine, ethyl. If there are different branches, we have to follow alphabetical order. Yes or no? Which is alphabetical order? First M, B, E. Which is alphabetical? First B first, then E, then M. So First B represent. Third position bromo. Therefore 3 bromo. Between number and name, hyphen 3 bromo. One branch over. If you're going to write that another branch, again hyphen. And next one is ethyl, right? Second position there is a ethyl. That branch over, again hyphen. Fourth position methyl. Okay, fourth position methyl. Total how many carbon in the chain? 6 carbon. Therefore hexane, because it is an alkane. And first position there is a alcohol. 3 bromo, third position bromine. 2 ethyl, second position ethyl. Fourth methyl, fourth position methyl. And hexane means total 6 carbon. First position there is an alcohol. Clear? That's it. So follow the rules. Follow the rules. Please don't confuse or to make a conscious about, oh my god, what a biggest question, what a biggest compound this is. Okay, nothing. Whatever the compound, follow the principle, follow the IUPAC rule, we'll get it. Next one. Okay, can we do it confidently? Dear all of you, check it. Where is the alcohol present? OH alcohol is there, alcohol is there. So both of the alcohol should be in our parent chain. How many alcohol groups are there in the compound? All the alcohol groups should be a part of the major chain. Alright. So this alcohol and alcohol including a longest chain, we can select it. Okay. So we cannot select this one. Yes or no? We cannot select this one, because if you are selecting this one alcohol, this alcohol belongs to the parent chain, but this alcohol is not there. Both of the alcohol should be a part of the major chain. Okay, so this OH and this OH including, which is the chain we can select, dear all of you. This is the chain. Yes. Now tell me which all branches you have. This is what? Chloro. Right? Chlorine is called chloro. And what is CH3, CH2 is called ethyl. What is the next step after selecting the parent chain? Number the parent chain in which the alcohol group should get lowest number. If you start number from left to right, this alcohol starting with the second position, this is in fifth position. But if you start from right side, the alcohol starting with the first position itself, that's better, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, tell me the name. There are 2 branches present. So what is the prefix we can use? This is starting with the C, this is starting with the E. Correct? Which is alphabetical order first? A, B, C, D, E. C first, right? So we can write fifth position chlorine. So 5 chloro. Third position ethyl. 3 ethyl. Alright, 3 ethyl. Total how many carbon in the word root? Which is the word root parent chain? Total 5 carbon. It is an alkane. Therefore pentane, which is the principal functional group. First position and fourth position, 2 alcohol are there. So we can say 1, 4 diol. If the 2 species are repeating, we can say di. If it is 3 are there, tri. 4 are there, tetra. Right? 1, 4 diol. So check it all of you. The positions are correct or not. Can you see fifth position there is a chlorine? Yes. Third position an ethyl group? Yes. Total there are 5 carbon in the chain? Yes. First position and fourth position, can you see 2 alcohol? Yes, therefore I put diol. Di in the sense 2 are there, all indicate alcohol. What about this question? Dear all of you, just pause the video. Just pause the video now and just calculate it. Okay, let me continue. Just pause the video. You do a question. You practice this question. Find your own answer. Anyway, I'm going to explain this. Let me start. Okay. Where is the alcohol? You have. This is an alcohol. It's an alcohol. It's an alcohol. 3 alcohols are there. So your name is ending with a triol. Triol. Because there are 3 alcohol, right? Here, all these 3 alcohols should be in our parent chain. Such a way you have to select the parent chain. So can you tell me which can be the parent chain? This alcohol, including the only one chain, here it is, this one. Correct? If you are taking this one as the parent chain, this alcohol connected to the parent chain, alcohol on the parent chain, alcohol on the parent chain. Yes, that's exactly the answer. So what is Br represent? Bromo. What is chlorine represent? Chloro. What is CH3, CH2 represent? Ethyl. Okay, fine. Let's go for the name, dear all. What's the name? We have to number the parent chain, right? Okay, let's number. the alcohol should get lowest number. Alcohol should get lowest number. See, if you start from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which all position alcohol present? First position is there, and then fourth position, okay, and then fifth position. Correct or not? 1, 4, 5. If you start number from right to left, I'm using another one. Right to left, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is the numbering, where is the alcohol position? First position there is an alcohol. Second position there is an alcohol. Fifth position there is an alcohol. Which is better? Which is the lowest lock and roll? That is called lowest lock and roll. Lowest number is preferred. 1, 4, 5, 1, 2, 5. Which is lowest number? 1, 2, 5. So which is the correct numbering? Correct numbering is the blue one, right? The blue one. So let me cancel the wrong one. Okay, let's go for the name, dear all of you. Clear now how we selected the parent chain? While you're numbering the parent chain, alcohol is the principal group here. All the alcohol should get lowest number. So this is better. Now let's go. Now the another rule, you know, if the all are different branches, one is bromine starting with a B, chlorine starting with a C, ethyl starting with a E. Alphabetical order should be follow if there are different branches. So bromine starting with a B, C, E, which is alphabetical order first, B, then C, then E. So we can go for bromine first. Fifth position bromine. So we can say 5 bromo, then chlorine. Fifth position chlorine, 5 chloro, okay, 5 bromo, 5 chloro. Third position ethyl, therefore 3 ethyl, 3 ethyl. And what do you have? What do you have? The parent chain, total 5 carbon. So we can say pentan, pentan. Where is the alcohol present? First, second, fifth. So you can ask the question like, sir, can we write 5, 2, 1? There is also alcohol, right? No, lower number to higher number we should write, okay? 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. These position alcohols are there. How many alcohol? 3 alcohol. So we can say triol, triol. 5 bromo, 5 chloro, 3 ethyl, pentan, 1, 2, 5, triol. Clear all? Easy? Next one. What is the name of this compound? Where is the alcohol we have? There is an alcohol, alcohol should get lowest number, and also alcohol including parent chain we have to select it. So both of the alcohol can be included when we are selecting this as the parent chain. So what is this branch we have? Ethyl. Which carbon you can place it number 1? This or this? Very good. I hope you get the correct answer. This carbon. Because if you number from left side to right side, alcohol is in second and fourth position. But right to left, first and third position. Lowest number we prefer, that is called lowest lock and rule. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second position, what you have? Ethyl groups. Therefore, 2 ethyl, 2 ethyl. Total 4 carbon in the chain. Therefore, butan. Okay. Butan, butan. Which all position you have alcohol? First and third position. So 1, 3 diol. 2 alcohols are there. So 1, 3 diol. 2 ethyl, butan, 1, 3 diol. Got it? What about this compound? You know, this is a bond line representation. So many questions we discussed in the previous part 1, part 2 video for the hydrocarbon. So first of all, you make into the normal format. These, you know, all these are carbon atom. All these are carbon. Let me fill. This is CH3, this is CH, CH2, CH, CH3, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Correct? Let us make into the normal format, or in this question itself you can able to write the answer, no issue. Anyway, for simple making, I'm just making this compound into the normal format. I'm starting from here. CH3, alright, CH3. It's connected to one CH carbon. On the CH carbon there is a chlorine. CH connected to one CH2. The CH2 connected to one CH carbon on which there is a CH3. Then the CH connected to one another CH. On the CH you can see there is a CH2OH group. Okay, CH2OH group is there. This CH connected to one CH2 CH3 here. Okay, this is the chain. Clear all of you? Sorry. So first of all, select the longest chain, which including our functional group alcohol. Here you see that alcohol is there, methyl is there, chlorine is there, alcohol is the principal group. So alcohol including a longest chain, we can select it. This is the one, right? So what is this? This is called chloro. This is called what? Methyl. This is called what? Ethyl. So all are different groups. So alphabetical order compulsory, we have to use it. Or alcohol is here. Alcohol should get lowest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Let's go for the prefixes. Okay. Branches we can write first. Chlorine, C, M, E, which is alphabetical order first. Chlorine. So we can say 5-chloro. And E, and second position ethyl, 2 ethyl, then methyl, third position methyl. Total how many carbon in the chain? Total 6 carbon, therefore hexane, and first position there is a alcohol. All of you close check it, the positions are correct or not. Okay, 5-chloro, fifth position chlorine, 2 ethyl, okay, 3 methyl, total 6 carbon hexane, first position there is a alcohol, therefore 1 whole. Clear? Yes. Next one. Question number 14. Just pause the video. Okay. Do it yourself, dear all. So alcohol is here. Alcohol including, I think the longest chain is this one. And this is a methyl group. There is a bromine, right? This is called methyl. This is called what? Bromo. So alphabetical order B first. Oh, alcohol is the principal group. It should get lowest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go for the name. Fifth position bromine, 5 bromo, third position methyl, 3 methyl, total there are 5 carbon, it's an alkene, therefore pentane, and second position there is an alcohol, therefore 2 whole. That's it, easy. What about the question number 15? 1, 2, where is alcohol? Alcohol is here. Alcohol including longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dear all, careful, okay? Alcohol containing longest chain, we have to take it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this is the parent chain, dear all. This is the parent chain, the longest chain. Clear? This is the longest chain. So what are the branches you have? This is called methyl. This is called what? Ethyl. Alphabetical order, E should write first, right? That's while writing naming only, we have to take the alphabetical order. We're not for numbering. Alcohol is the major group, so alcohol group lowest number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's go for the name. Second position ethyl is there, therefore 2 ethyl, right? Second position ethyl, third position methyl, therefore 3 methyl. Total how many carbon in the parent chain? 5 carbon. It's an alkene. Therefore pentane. And where is alcohol? First position there is an alcohol. So pentanol or pentan 1 whole. 2 ethyl, 3 methyl, pentan 1 whole. Dear student, alphabetical order, if you are not following, suppose you are writing methyl first, ethyl second, it's completely wrong, okay? That's a violation of IUPAC rule. So alphabetical order we should follow when we have 2 different branches on the compound. Let's go for the next question. Now regarding phenols. What is the major difference? We are discussing the topic IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols and phenols, right? So alcohols and phenols, what's actually difference? Phenols actually alcohol containing compound, but here alcohol is on a benzene ring. You know, benzene ring is an aromatic compound. Benzene is an aromatic compound. So here phenol, a phenol is actually a common name. Phenol is actually a common name where a alcohol group is directly on benzene ring is called what? Phenol. Okay, phenol. Or you know, OH group, we will call it as what? Hydroxy group. OH group is called what? Hydroxy. Hydrogen and oxygen, right? Hydroxy, which is on a benzene. So hydroxy benzene, that also we can call it for phenol. So phenol is nothing but benzene with OH. Okay, benzene with OH, this compound is known as what? Phenol. Dear all, on a benzene ring, so many positions are there. If you consider a simple benzene, total you can see there are 6 carbon atom here. You know what is the formula of benzene? C6H6. All these carbons are almost identical type. But when a functional group or something attack on benzene ring, if it is there on benzene ring, more different positions are generating on benzene ring. What are the positions? Let's see. This is the functional group here. This is the functional group attached carbon on benzene ring. Correct? Okay. The functional group directly attached carbon, the nearest carbons are called, or these positions are called ortho. Ortho. So how many ortho positions are there? 2 ortho positions are there. Once again, I am repeating. Any group, maybe functional group or another alkyl, normal, anything, any group which is present on benzene ring. So this is the functional group or the group connected carbon in benzene ring, right? This is the carbon. Nearest carbons are called ortho position. Ortho position. And the next nearest position means these two are called meta position. Okay, meta position. And the opposite side, this is called the functional group or the group connected opposite side is called what? Para position. So there are 2 ortho, 2 meta, 1 para position. Okay, that's the name of that positions. Okay, ortho we are represented by O, meta we represented by M, the starting letter, that's it. Para represent P. Okay, suppose I am just changing the phenol structure like this, phenol or whatever. Suppose I am taking a methyl group, suppose here, this is the one. Here which group is connected on benzene ring? Methyl group. Okay, this is called toluene or methyl benzene. Which all are the ortho position? Dear student, ortho, meta, para positions can be changes, depends on the group present on benzene ring. Here the methyl group or the group connected carbon is this one. Next nearest positions are called ortho. This is what? This is ortho, this is ortho. Next nearest positions are called meta and the opposite position is called para. Clear all? Okay, so these are compound. So in a normal benzene, such kind of positions are not there. Ortho, meta, para, we can't decide. It depends on the upcoming group. If there is a group on benzene ring, like functional group or normal alkyl, anything, then ortho, meta, para positions are generating. Clear? Once again, the group connected carbon on benzene, okay, nearest 2 carbons are called ortho. Next nearest positions are called meta and the opposite is called what? Para. Got it? Okay. Let's go for the nomenclature. Here I am giving you around 6 phenol. 6 phenol are there. You can see that phenol. In phenol, I am going to make some changes. This is a first set. This is the second set. In the first set of the compound, I am going to write, dear all of you, this is phenol. What is this position is called? What is this position is called? These 2 position we call it as ortho, correct? Ortho. Here I am placing one OH group. In the second compound, this position, let me write a OH group. What is this position is called? Meta. Meta. And what is this position is called? Para. Clear all of you? So there is a 2 alcohol groups on nearest ortho position. One alcohol, this is the phenol and here it is the meta position. Okay, this is called ortho position. This is called meta position. This is called para position. Clear all? What is the name of these compounds? What's the name of this compound? Here you can say that. What is this ring is called? Benzene, right? Benzene. Alcohol is the major group here. So alcohol number 1, alcohol number 2. Either you can take this one number 1, number 2. So benzene 1,2-diol. That's the IUPAC name of this compound. Benzene is there. First and second position 2 alcohols are there. So 1,2-diol. Diol. What about this compound? Can you say if you are taking this is number 1, number 2, number 3 or opposite 1, 2, 3. Both are same. Here you can say the name benzene 1,3-diol. What about here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can say that benzene 1,4-diol. But maximum they will try to ask you about the common name. These are the IUPAC name. There is a specific common name. Dear all of you, just note it. If 2 alcohols are on adjacent position or in ortho position on the benzene ring or benzene 1,2-diol, its common name is known as catechol. Catechol. If 2 OH groups are on adjacent position is called what? Catechol. If it is on meta position, it is known as resorcinol. Resorcinol. It's a common name, okay? Catechol. So they can ask you the question, what is the IUPAC name of catechol? So catechol mean OH-OHR ortho. So benzene 1,2-diol. Resorcinol, benzene 1,3-diol. Meta. And what about benzene, the para position 1,4? This is known as quinol. Quinol, or we will call it as hydroquinone. Quinol, or is called as hydroquinone. Hydroquinone, both are possible. So catechol, resorcinol and quinol. Clear all? 1,2-diol, 1,3-diol, 1,4-diol. What about the second system? Here I am not placing a OH group, I am going to place a methyl group, CH3. Where is this position? Ortho. CH3, it is in meta, and CH3 is in para. Alright? In this question, dear all of you, you can see that alcohol, phenol, already phenol is there. Phenol, benzene with OH is called phenol. Phenol with a methyl group, correct? Which is the major group here, whether alcohol or alkyl group? I told you alcohol is the major group. So number 1, number 2. Here number 1, number 2, number 3. Here number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Or you can come this way, both are same. Okay, what's the name? Second position methyl, right? So therefore we can say 2-methyl. 2-methyl. Where is this methyl group present? On the phenol. So we can say 2-methyl phenol. Or you can say, what is this second position is called? Ortho. Or you can call ortho-methyl. That's not 0, okay? Ortho-methyl phenol. So can you tell me what is the name of this compound? Here you can say third position methyl. Therefore, we can say 3-methyl on phenol. Or third position is, which position is this called? It's meta. So no need to write META, meta, okay? Just M. Ortho means O, M, meta, and P represent para. So meta-methyl phenol. Meta-methyl phenol. What about this compound? You can easily understand. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4-methyl phenol, right? 4-methyl phenol. Or what is the another common name? And dear students, you can ask the questions like whether 3-methyl phenol or meta-methyl phenol, which is the IUPAC name? 3. Okay, with a position representation, that is called IUPAC. Ortho, meta, something is using normally in common names. Okay, so 4-methyl phenol and fourth position is para, so we can say para-methyl phenol. In the previous question or the topics we studied, a catechol, resorcinol, quinol, etc. depends on the OH. Here OH and CH3. If a benzene ring contain OH and CH3 together, there is a common name called cresol. What? If the benzene ring which contain alcohol and a methyl group, generally called cresol. Okay, so all are cresol actually, right? All are cresol. Let me write here. This is cresol. This is also cresol. This is also cresol, because all these three compound containing alcohol and CH3 group. Where is this methyl group is present here? Ortho position. So it is called orthocresol. Here CH3 group is in meta position, that's called metacresol. Here CH3 is in para position, therefore it is called paracresol. Easy? Okay, so common name important. This is a special case, all of you. Catechol, resorcinol, quinol, which mean OH. This is one is called orthocresol, metacresol, paracresol. Clear, all of you? Okay, let me go to some other question. Here we have benzene is there, methyl is there, chlorine is there, alcohol is there. I told you alcohol is the major group here. So this carbon number 1 on benzene. After that, which one? Where you can write number 2, whether left side or right side. Dear student, major functional group you already noted, right? That's number 1. Then the remaining group you don't need to bother, because both are methyl and halogen. Both are very lowest priority group. If they all are very lowest priority group, you no need to bother about which is among that which is highest priority group or something. No need of that. Alcohol is the major principal functional group here. You put already number 1. Then the remaining substituent should get lowest number. That's it. So if you number through this side, greater number will come. So here it is nearby, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is Cl called? Chloro. What is CH3 is called? Methyl. Clear? Which is alphabetical order first, M or C? C is first. So we can say 2-chloro. 2-chloro. As I told you, please don't use the symbol ortho, meta, para, something while you're writing IUPAC name, okay? Number, position should be mentioned. 2-chloro and 5-methyl. Where it is present? 2-chlorine and 5th position methyl. Where it is present? Benzene with OH is called what? Phenol. Phenol. Clear all? What about this compound? Here there is an alcohol is there. What is this group? This is what? CH2, CH3. Ethyl group. Okay, this is what? Ethyl group. And what is this? CH3. That's called methyl group, right? Methyl group. Part 1 video, part 2 video, we already discussed how to write how to convert the bond line formula into the normal format. Okay, this is called ethyl, this is methyl. So E and M. So alphabetical order E first, right? Alcohol is the major group here, number 1. So others should get lowest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second position ethyl, therefore 2 ethyl. Third or fourth position methyl, 4 methyl. And remaining, what is the compound? Phenol. Clear all? 2 ethyl, 4 methyl, phenol. Easy one. Next one. What about this compound? In this compound, you can see that alcohol is there as a major group. What is this group? CH3. This is CH3. This is CH3. Alcohol is a major group number 1. If you go through this side or this side, I think positions are similar because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which all position methyl group? 2nd, 4th and 6th. If you come through this side, 2nd, 4th and 6th. Both are correct one. Okay, so let me go with this one. So where is the position of methyl group, dear all of you? 2nd, 4th and 6th. Therefore 2, 4, 6. How many methyl group? 3 methyl group. Therefore trimethyl. 2, 4, 6 trimethyl. Where it is present? On phenol. Clear, right? Yes. Next one. Alcohol is the major group here. So number 1, chlorine is there, bromine is there. Bromine, we will write it as what? Bromo. Chlorine, we will write it as what? Chloro. Which is alphabetical order first? A, B, B, C. B is first, right? But, you know, I told you halogens. Halogens are very lowest priority group. You no need to bother whether chlorine should come number lowest or bromine number lowest. Okay, while writing the name only, we are giving preference for bromine because alphabetical order bromine first, but numbering all are similar. So all of them, alcohol is the principal functional group that you already noted as number 1. So remaining group should get lowest number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. While naming, bromine should be first. 4th position bromine. Therefore 4 bromo and then 2 chloro, right? 4 bromo, 2 chloro. And whichever it is present on phenol. No spaces, okay? 4 bromo, 2 chloro, phenol. Let us go to the question here. This is again alcohol is the major group. What is this OCH3? OCH3 is called? Dear student, CH3 is known as methyl group, right? A CH3 with one oxygen is called methoxy. Methoxy group. It's also a branch, a lowest priority group. Methyl CH3 methyl group with one oxygen is called methoxy. Methoxy. So this is the principal group here. You can go through this side or this side. I think both are same one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2nd and 6th position, 2 methoxy groups are there. So what's the name? 2, 6 dimethoxy. Okay, dimethoxy. See. Methyl group with oxy. Methyl group with oxy is called methoxy. 2, 6 dimethoxy. Where it is present? On phenol. Clear all? Clear or not? What about this question? Phenol is the major group. Number 1, nitro is the, I told you nitro, halogen, alkyl group. All are lowest priority group compared to alcohol. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. We can say 4 nitro group, right? 4 nitro phenol. 4 nitrophenol, or you can say the common name what? Para. This is para position, right? Para nitrophenol. That's also fine. What about here? Alcohol is there, amine is there. Alcohol is the major one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amino. NH2 is called amino group. So we can call 4-amino phenol. 4-amino phenol, right? 4-amino phenol. Let's go for the last compound, all of you. Keep it, listen. OH is the major group here. Number 1. This is a branch here we have. What is this branch? CH, CH3, CH3. So this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Fourth position, there is a branch. I'm just rewriting the structure like this. It's a very familiar branch, you know. What is this branch actually? CH connected to CH3 and CH3. We discussed before. A CH carbon connected to 2 CH3 group, the branch is known as isopropyl. Here all of you, isopropyl. Okay, part 1 alkane discussion we discussed already. A CH carbon connected to 2 CH3 is called what? Isopropyl. Okay, so alcohol is the major group, no doubt. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth position you have isopropyl, and which is present on phenol. 4-isopropyl phenol. But in part 1 video we already discussed what the isopropyl is actually a common name. What is the IUPAC name or the systematic name of which one? Isopropyl branch. We discussed, all of you. Just watch it after the class. This is the branch, right? This branch normally called what? Isopropyl. What is the IUPAC name of isopropyl or systematic name? Dear student, this is the way. In this branch, which carbon directly connected to the principal group? Because the principal group is here phenol. Which carbon is directly connected to the principal group? Take it as number 1. So this is number 1. After that, select a longest chain in this branch. Either you can take 1, 2 here or 1, 2 here. Okay, that's it. First position, what you have, a methyl branch is there. So I can write 4. Now I'm going to write the isopropyl name in a bracket. Okay. First position, there is a methyl. Therefore, 1 methyl. What is remaining? CH3CH, that's called ethyl. 1 methyl ethyl, that is the IUPAC name of, or the systematic name of which one? Isopropyl. So over 4 isopropyl name already we wrote where it is present on phenol. That's also possible one. Clear all? Understood? So okay, so my target is we have to discuss maximum functional group and their names and their IUPAC rules. Even for your competitive examination also, you should be very capable to answer all kind of IUPAC naming. So we completed alkane, alkene, alkyne, alcohols and phenol. Next part we will come with most of the important functional group like carboxylic acid, aldehydes, ketone, etc. After that, all together we will discuss one video that's related to all functional group including compound, how to name. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye all of you, take care, and we will come with the other videos in the next session. Thank you all, bye.